Stop doing this if you have deep acne scars. Kung isa lang ang ginagawa mong treatment for acne scars, you're probably wasting your money. Combination treatments is key. Hindi siya one treatment lang. Hi, this is Dr. Miriam Adroneda, PDS Board Certified Dermatologist, and I recently attended IMCAS Paris and a masterclass in Malaga, Spain under Dr. Nabil Faki. And ngayon, we're offering our biggest promo. If active acne pa lang, we can combine Acnelan Peel, Acne Facial, and NDYAG Laser, plus home medications. All in na for 10,000 pesos. For pores and texture, CO2 laser, NCTF, and exosomes, this is a protocol I learned from IMCAS Paris. Also, all for 10,000 pesos. But for deep acne scars, this is next level. Hybrid foaming filler, which is a combination of Radies, Belotero, plus CO2, TCA Cross, and Subcision. This technique was taught to us in Malaga, Spain under Dr. Nabil Faki. Save 16,000 pesos on this comprehensive package. If you want full transformation, our Morpheus 8 program combines Morpheus 8 RF fractional microneedling, 3-in-1 synergistic acne scar treatment, and exosomes. Morpheus 8 is the same device used by top doctors worldwide. Plus, we have promos on lifting and laser hair removal. Hindi magic ang skin treatments. Results come from the right combination done correctly. If you're serious about improving your skin, message us now. Limited slots lang. Thank you and see you soon!